Alright fam, Ramadan is flying by. Can you believe we're already on day 26? We're officially in the last 10 days, the time of intense spirituality, reflection, and a whole lot of blessings. This is the home stretch, people. We're talking about the last Ashra, where every prayer, every act of kindness, every effort to be a better version of ourselves holds even more weight. Okay, so we're in the last 10 days, right? Big deal, right? But wait, let's dive deeper into why these nights are so incredibly special. But here's the thing, it's not just any 10 days. These are the final 10 days of Ramadan, the holiest month in the Islamic calendar. We're talking about the nights that hold Laylat al-Qadr, the night of power. This night is so significant that it's mentioned in the Quran itself. Think of it like the Super Bowl of Ramadan, but instead of a trophy, you get spiritual rewards beyond your wildest dreams. Imagine the blessings and mercy of Allah descending upon you. Now no one knows the exact date of Laylat al-Qadr. It's a mystery, a divine secret that adds to its allure and significance. It's hidden within these last odd-numbered nights. The 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th, or 29th night could be the one. Each night holds the potential for immense spiritual gain. It's like a divine game of hide and seek, but with life-changing stakes. Imagine finding a treasure chest filled with endless blessings and mercy. So what does that mean for us? It means we have an incredible opportunity to seek forgiveness, to make dua, and to get closer to Allah. It means we gotta bring our A game every single night. We're talking extra prayers, known as Taraweeh, that stretch into the late hours. Reciting the Quran like it's our favorite playlist, immersing ourselves in its words and meanings. Each verse holds a key to spiritual elevation, giving charity like we're Oprah on a giveaway spree. Imagine the joy and relief you bring to others, and the rewards you earn in return. Remember that time you were up late scrolling through memes? Yeah, this is the time to replace that with something way more fulfilling. Instead of endless scrolling, open the Quran, make dua, and reflect on your life. This is the time to seek forgiveness and make sincere repentance. Imagine the heavens opening up, angels descending, and your prayers being answered. This is the power of these nights. It's also a time to strengthen community bonds, share meals, support each other, and spread kindness. The sense of unity and togetherness is unparalleled. Set your intentions, write down your goals, and strive to be the best version of yourself. These nights are a golden opportunity for personal and spiritual growth. So, let's make the most of these special nights. Reflect, pray, give, and grow. The rewards are beyond our imagination, and the impact on our souls is profound. As we leave the mosque and head back to our daily lives, let's carry the spirit of these nights with us. Let it inspire us to be better, kinder, and more connected to our faith. These nights are special indeed. Let's cherish them, embrace them, and make the most of every moment. The blessings are waiting, and the time is now. May we all find Laylat al-Qadr and be showered with its blessings. Ameen. These nights are truly special. Let's make them count. Now, day 26 itself has some serious spiritual clout. It's a night that holds immense significance in the Islamic calendar, often associated with the Night of Power, or Laylat al-Qadr. This is the night when the Quran was first revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, making it a time of deep reflection and heightened spirituality. Word on the street is that du'as made on this night have a direct line to the Almighty. It's believed that the gates of heaven are wide open, and the blessings are abundant. Imagine having a direct line to the Creator where your prayers are heard loud and clear. It's like having a VIP pass to the divine inbox. No waiting, no hold music, just a straight connection to the one who holds all power. This is your golden opportunity to make your wishes known, to seek forgiveness, and to ask for guidance. So what are you waiting for? This is your chance to pour your heart out. Whether it's gratitude for the blessings you have or supplications for the challenges you face, now is the time to speak your truth. Got dreams bigger than your last Instagram post? Lay it all out there. Whether it's personal goals, professional aspirations, or dreams for a better world, this is the moment to articulate them. Worries keeping you up at night? This is your therapy session, but instead of a therapist, it's the one who can actually make a difference. Pour out your anxieties, your fears, and your hopes. Let your heart speak freely. And remember, it's not just about asking for yourself. Think about your family, your friends, the world out there struggling. This is a time to be selfless, to think beyond your immediate circle, and to pray for the well-being of others. This is a chance to channel your inner superhero and send out some good vibes into the universe. Your prayers have the power to bring about change, to heal, and to uplift. So take a moment, close your eyes, and let your heart guide your words. The universe is listening, and so is the Almighty. As you sit in the stillness of the night, remember that this is a sacred time. The tranquility of the night amplifies the sincerity of your prayers. Feel the peace around you, and let it fill your soul. Engage with the Quran. Let its words resonate within you. This is a night for deep connection, for understanding, and for spiritual growth. Let the light of the Quran guide you through the darkness. And as you pray, remember the power of community. The collective prayers of a community can move mountains. Share this night with others and let the collective energy elevate your own spiritual experience. Feel the joy and contentment that comes from sincere prayer. Let it wash over you and leave you with a sense of peace and fulfillment. This is your night, your moment to connect with the divine. Make the most of it. As the night gives way to dawn, carry the peace and blessings of this night with you. Let it inspire you to be better, to do better, and to spread kindness and compassion wherever you go. Your Dua hotline is open and the connection is strong. Use it wisely. Okay, let's talk food. We're 26 days in, the finish line is in sight, but don't let those cravings derail you. I know those late-night samosa whispers can be tempting, but trust me, your body will thank you for keeping it healthy. Think of suhoor, like your pre-game meal. You need something that's going to power you through the day, not weigh you down. Dates, yogurt, fruits, whole grains, these are your MVPs. And for iftar, break your fast with something light and hydrating. Think soup, salad, maybe some grilled chicken or fish. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself and your body will thank you for it. Chapter 4, Itikaf, level up your Ramadan game. Now let's talk about Itikaf. Itikaf is a profound spiritual practice that takes place during the last 10 days of Ramadan. It's a time when Muslims seclude themselves in the mosque, dedicating their days and nights to worship and reflection. This is next-level Ramadan dedication. Imagine immersing yourself completely in the presence of the divine, away from the distractions of daily life. It's about hitting pause on the outside world and spending the last 10 days in the mosque, focusing on prayer, reflection, and getting closer to the divine. This period is a chance to recharge your spiritual batteries and deepen your connection with God. Think of it like a spiritual retreat, but instead of a fancy spa, it's the house of God. The mosque becomes a sanctuary where you can find peace and solace, away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Now, I know not everyone can swing 10 days off the grid. Life's responsibilities can make it challenging to commit to a full itikaf, but don't let that discourage you. But even if you can't do the full itikaf, try to spend extra time at the mosque, especially during these last nights. The nights of Ramadan are particularly special, and even a few hours of dedicated worship can make a significant difference. Even an hour of dedicated prayer and reflection can do wonders for your soul. It's about making the most of the time you have and seeking that spiritual upliftment. It's about disconnecting from the noise of the world and tuning into something much greater than ourselves. In these moments of solitude and devotion, you can find clarity, peace, and a renewed sense of purpose. So whether you can commit to the full 10 days or just a few hours, make the effort to level up your Ramadan game with itikaf. Embrace the opportunity to grow spiritually and connect with the divine on a deeper level. Chapter 5, Charity, it's not just about the money. Alright, let's talk about charity. Ramadan is all about sharing, caring, and giving back. And during these last 10 nights, our generosity has the power to multiply those rewards exponentially. We're talking Zakat al-Fitr, the obligatory charity given before Eid prayer. It's about making sure everyone has the means to celebrate, no matter their circumstances. But it's not just about the money. It's about the intention, the empathy, the understanding that we're all in this together. So, dig deep, fam. Donate to causes you care about, help those in need, and remember that even a small act of kindness can have a ripple effect far beyond what we can imagine. Chapter 6, Ramadan, 2024. What's trending now? Okay, let's lighten the mood for a second. Ramadan isn't just about prayer and reflection, it's also about community and celebration. And what better way to celebrate than by checking out what's trending in the world of Ramadan 2024? We're talking about everything from Ramadan decor that'll make your home feel like a scene out of Aladdin, to Eid outfit ideas that'll have you looking fly as you break your fast in style. And let's not forget about the spiritual self-improvement challenges taking over social media. From daily Quran reflections to acts of kindness documented for the gram, people are finding creative ways to connect with their faith and inspire others. Outro, make the most of these last days. So there you have it, fam. Day 26 of Ramadan is upon us and the finish line is in sight. But let's not just coast to the end. Let's make these last days count. Increase your worship, seek forgiveness, and remember the true meaning of this blessed month. How are you making the most of these last days? Share your thoughts and reflections in the comments below. Ramadan Mubarak, everyone. May these last days be filled with blessings, forgiveness, and spiritual growth. #Ramadan Mubarak, #Ramadan Day, 26 #spiritual growth, #Ramadan facts, #Dua.